Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the grid in Krita. First, open your document and make sure the Grid and Guides Docker is visible. This is where all the grid settings live. If you don't see it, go to Settings, Dockers, then Grids and Guides. Make sure to show the grid so you can see a preview of it while editing. To change the grid spacing, like how big each cell is, look for X and Y spacing and enter the pixel values you want. Larger numbers make bigger grid squares. Smaller numbers make tighter grids. If you want subdivisions, which are the smaller lines between main grid lines, adjust the subdivision setting. Higher values group cells into larger blocks and change how the intermediate lines display. You can also choose a different grid type. Rectangle for a regular square grid, or isometric for diagonal grids useful in some drawings. For more control, the Docker lets you set a grid offset. This shifts the grid's origin away from the top left corner, and tweak the line styles like solid, dashed, or dotted of both main and subdivision lines. And that's how you edit your grid in Krita. Thanks for watching.